Hello everyone, today we are going to get our credentials for the YouTube API which will be used in this set of videos. Open console.cloud.google.com. Click on Select Project and create a new project with the name of your wish. When the project is created, click on Select Project and then follow what I am doing. Now you should have the YouTube icon on the top right. Next step is to generate our API key. Now follow what I am doing. Please don't share your API key unless you allow someone to use your API, and that will lessen the amount of daily limit if the API key. Now you can save your key in a new file. And that is it for the video. Next we will do a GET request in Python.